Hello everyone, this is Ben Ryder from the Academy of Gaming Film and Animation, and what we're looking at now finally is the aim constraint. So far we've looked at the move, the point constraint, the orient constraint, and the scale constraint. This is the aim constraint. And what that means is that it will actually aim at the target itself. So this is really useful if you wanted like a spotlight or a prison light or security cameras or things like that. It's always really cool. It's very simple to set up as well. You're just simply, again, selecting the constraining object, selecting the object, going to constrain, and going here to aim. Now, there are a couple of extra things here to consider. So let's just go through them. So first of all, maintain offset, that makes sense. All of these other ones are the same as the other one. But when we're looking at the aim vector, you may notice there's no letters here, which seems to be a bit of an oversight for them and everything. Basically, you're looking at X, Y, and Z. In this case, vector 1 here, that's a Y vector 1, and that makes sense because Y in Maya is up. But it's worth remembering that in other programs, Z is up. Blender and Unreal are good examples of this. So you may want to consider that if you were moving this over to another program. Now, considering the fact that we are baking all of our animations before we bring them into Unreal, it's not going to matter too much. But if you do start noticing some weird glitches and you do have an aim constraint on either your character or the animated object you're bringing in, it may be something worth considering there. But it's very easy to set up just like that. So, for example, because I've been looking at it this whole time, if we've got our cube here and we bring in our spotlight and we have that spotlight there. Now we can just simply click here on this, go to constrain, go to aim, and there it is. And so now when this moves, the light follows it like an actor on stage or a musician. I just really like it. It's something that, light is always really important in scenes, so it's just nice sort of seeing that automated like that. So in the next one, we are going to look at how it is that we can get 2 to work again, similar to this point and scale, except we're going to be looking at the aim constraint and pole constraint, or point and aim constraint to be able to get those there, and also the pole constraint is in there as well. So anyway, we'll look at that next time, and I will catch you then.